Mary Kay, 유지랑 맞아.
We don't always get along, we don't see eye to eye. All you gotta do is call my phone and I'll be sliding by. All I do is hit you on a text and I get no reply. Leave me on red and blame me that I be acting dry. And I try to be nice to you, but you be acting mean. I don't give a fuck about nobody, can't come in between. Thought you was my partner, ain't no I thought we was a team. Yes, you falling, I'ma catch you, this is not a dream.
Yeah, you see me falling, you better catch me. Riding by myself and yeah, it get lonely. I'm good on my own, 10 toes only. But in the back of my mind, you're what I'm wanting. I ain't stuck in my ways, I'm just hurt. Telling me you love me, make the people worth it. But the niggas to shame on the dirt. Keep showing the stuff, shit, it really work. Open my mind and bend me. Keep telling me you see me. Hold on to every piece. Keep reassuring me. I felt broken before, but you put me together and more. I'm holding on for sure. Cause baby boy, I'm flying.
You in that drip, yeah, I get you with some hits. You know how I'm pulling in them tricks. You know how I slide. You know how I slide for you. You know how I slide for you. Tell me what they gon' do when I slide, I slide. I slide. Yeah, I'm gon' slide. Nah, I slide for you. I slide. Yeah, I'm gon' slide. I slide.
Singing the shit that I be bringing, I'm hitting a home run. It's the way that I be swinging. You sipping on that tequila, it's something you always drinking. And you say you really love me, I just know you overthinking. And you know I move fast, so you gotta keep up. I know times can be hard, I know it can be tough. Couple things they don't know, I keep that on the hush. You give me a third chance, I ain't fucking that up. I love you in them jeans, I'm addicted to green. Used to sneak in the back, didn't wanna be seen. If you keep it 100, then I'ma keep it a bean. I used to borrow your car, and I was keeping it clean. Used to be all so simple, but everything just went left. You say you knew what you want, so I gave you respect. You said you got a new job, gotta go get that check. Tatted up with a gun, I'm the new Triple X.